How long should this backoff be? Are you ready to be senior software engineered? It depends. There's a lot of reasons for failure, so there's many backoffs that make sense. If there was just some hiccup, 100 milliseconds is great. If a database was restarted, a few seconds should do it until it's ready again. If a hardware system is rebooted, it's probably gonna take minutes. And if an excavator ripped through some network cables, who knows where, we are talking about at least hours. And I'm saying that as someone who almost got stranded at Munich airport after this exact thing happened to Lufthansa. And of course, you don't know which of those reasons is at play. So you need to cater to all of them by starting with a short backoff and then exponentially increase every failed retry. Ah yeah, remember exponential? But it also means that you have to stop trying eventually, because not everything recovers within a time frame that makes sense for your operation. And some things will never recover because maybe a URL wasn't actually cool and changed, or an authentication token expired, and hammering the API with the same wrong token is rather inadvisable if you'd like to keep using the API in the future. Forgetting to use timeouts on everything remote is the kissing cousin of unbounded retries. It can literally take down whole companies once blocking calls start cascading until everything ends up in a standstill. But it's a topic for another video. As far as retries go, we've now got an exponential backoff, and we stop when it makes sense for your context. But if all clients have the same backoff, they still retry at the same time, so they still take the target down, just a little bit later. Which brings us to the final piece of a well-behaved retry. We add a random amount of time to each backoff to spread out the retries. This is called a jitter.